Today we're going to cover adding RDP in ArcGIS Monitor. You can follow along in the Adding RDP tutorial in the ArcGIS Monitor help. One important requirement is that the host name must already be monitored as a system before you can add an RDP. We'll start by selecting the RDP counter type, right-clicking and selecting Add. Then we'll select the new RDP item and select an existing host name that is already monitored as a system. In this case, I'll select Production 8 as a system. Next, I'll select the sample interval. We recommend a 15-minute sample interval for RDP sessions. We'll be able to monitor the total, active, and inactive sessions for that machine. Next, we'll click the Test button, and it will attempt to query the RDP counters for that machine. And notice we have the values returned successfully. I'll click the Save button, and now every 15 minutes we'll be collecting active and inactive sessions for that machine. Next, we're going to log into the ArcGIS Monitor webpage and go to the Categories Infrastructure Report. This is where the RDP information can be quickly viewed. We can look at the active sessions, collection time, inactive sessions, and total sessions for the RDP counter. Notice the statistics for min, averages, and percentiles are also shown for the time range. Thanks for watching.